We have many updates to talk about, as well as why, if you haven't seen it, crypto has gone collapsing for the past 12 hours. So we decided we jump straight onto the laptop. And as we said, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything is down. So it's a good time, in my opinion, to go and buy. And what I will do, I'm no financial advisor whatsoever. I will go and long Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. If you do want to come and trade with me, I will leave you the link down below. Come over to ZoomX. It's a non-KYC exchange. Anybody can go and trade in there, and you do get a $30 welcome bonus, so the link will be down below. Let's go and open myself the position. I will open a 25% of, actually no, let's go a little bit lower, so 2.5k. Let's go to 3k long over on Bitcoin, which is right here. I have entered. I will then go over here and open an Ethereum long as well of about 3k. Open it, and then I will also go to Solana, as I do not have any position open over here, and long Solana as well for 2.3k. So currently I got my 3 position open. If you wish to trade as well, this is a great exchange, non-KYC. I will leave you the link down below. Sign up, come and trade with me, and join my Telegram for all the calls that I do on the trade to know more, also when I sell or when I buy a little bit more. Next up, we do have some important updates over on Linea Airdrop. As we know so far, they have said that the TGE is coming, the token generation event is coming. And by the way, let me know if the microphone volume over here is great. Yesterday I was holding it in front of me, so go and check that audio if you do not seen it. Now I am putting it underneath my mouse, so let me know which one you do like most. But I did get a new mic to go and fix the audio for all of you, because I've seen your comments saying that the audio was terrible. Yet I want to go and grab myself a microphone. So if you wish to support, leave a like and subscribe and share. But Linea, as currently as it stands right now, there's many of these kind of 6 years anniversary, this and that. The token generation event will happen. We have seen it in yesterday's video. Make sure to go and check it out. They have released these papers over here, a specification of the JK EVM, which simply goes and see, if you go and read it all, that the token generation event is going to come really, really soon. So that's super exciting. Next up, we have the Spark that has announced their SPK airdrop. Users are eligible if they use the Spark link directly, or if they use partner project like Ethena Labs, Aave, Tenderfy, OKFlux. So go and check if you are eligible. I will leave you the link down below, and this is the official link airdrop checker. Make sure to go here, go and check your airdrop eligibility. Connect your wallet, simply your MetaMask wallet. If you're here, scroll all the way down, click on agree and continue. And then if you see here, you will have, unfortunately, you're not eligible for the airdrop. But if you are, let me know your allocation down below, and let me know for how many tokens you are eligible for this airdrop. Next up, we do have some Magic Newton airdrop update. And if we go and do it together, this is the list of all the free airdrops that I do go and release over on my Patreon. The link will be down below if you want to go and get a guide on all of these free airdrops that we have gone and connect to, interacted with, we will get an airdrop from. And when it comes to Newton Portal, which is the one we're talking about, as we see over here, let's go and turn off the music over here. The portal is complete. The portal quests have ended. The next phase of Newton's begins. Stay tuned. I got a total of 2,323 credits. How many did you receive? Go and check your allocation, because this will be the airdrop coming in a couple of days. This is a total airdrop tokens I believe that you will have. So let me know your allocation. Go and check it. I will leave you this link down below, the Magic Newton Portal link. I will leave it linked down below, so go and check it. And we also have the Wallet Connect claim campaign is now live on your Backpack exchange. The people that qualified for this airdrop are the challengers, diamonds, and platinum badge holders. 500 plus randomly selected users with other badges. So in terms of badges, going forward, it does look like Backpack does give a lot of reward to the people that receive or own their badges. To be eligible for 200k WCT allocation, connect your wallet via the quest by June 18. So very simple, go to your Backpack wallet and connect it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Not many updates, as the market is a little bit shaking, and we have seen it also from yesterday's night. But with that said, make sure to go and trade. I think it's a great, of course, I'm no financial advisor. I think it's a great opportunity to go and trade. The account that you see me trading is a demo account, so there are no real money, but I'm trying to get it from 20k all the way to 100k with the demo account. But if you want to go and trade, I will leave you the link down below. Come and join me. ZoomX is great because it is non-KYC and they allow me to trade with you as well. So with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Ciao guys.